Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 dash cams on Amazon in 2026. Whether you want to upgrade your car security or capture every drive in crystal clear quality, this video will help you find the right dash cam for your needs. We'll cover key features, pros, cons, and my verdict for each dash cam, so by the end you'll know exactly which one to choose. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear. Includes free 128GB SD card, supports up to 512GB, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, G-sensor, 170-degree wide-angle lens, 3-inch IPS screen, 24-hour parking mode, dual 4K front and rear recording. This dash cam is a solid all-rounder. It records in 4K resolution both front and rear, giving clear footage. The 170-degree lens captures almost everything around your car, and the IPS screen makes playback easy. The G-sensor locks footage during sudden impacts, protecting important videos automatically. Storage support up to 512GB makes it perfect for long trips or frequent use. Pros: high-resolution 4K plus 4K video, massive storage support, accurate GPS tracking. Cons: 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi has a shorter range in some vehicles. Number 2. 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dashcam. Includes 128GB SD card, dual-band Wi-Fi 5.8G/2.4G, built-in GPS, night vision, WDR, 170-degree wide-angle, G-sensor, 24-hour parking monitor. Triple channel, front, rear, and inside. If you want complete coverage inside and outside, this dash cam is a great option. Night vision is clear, and WDR helps with high contrast conditions, such as tunnels or bright sunlight. Emergency lock ensures that important footage is saved automatically, giving extra peace of mind. Pros: triple channel recording, excellent night vision, dual band Wi-Fi ensures smooth video transfer. Cons: slightly more expensive. Setup can take a few minutes. Number 3. Pelsi S3 Touch 4K Dashcam. StarVis 2 sensor with starlit full-color night vision. Includes 128GB SD card, Wi-Fi 6, ADAS, 3.39-inch IPS screen, voice control, GPS, and 24-hour parking mode. The Pelsi S3 Touch excels at night recording. Its StarVis sensor provides full-color night vision, making low-light footage much clearer than standard dashcams. ADAS safety alerts give lane departure and forward collision warnings, adding extra protection for city driving. Voice control lets you operate the dashcam hands-free. Pros: full-color night vision, ADAS alerts for safety, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Cons: ADAS may require calibration in some cars. Number 4. N5 Pro 4K 4-channel dashcam. 360 all-around view, 1080p rear and inside cameras. 5G Wi-Fi 6 up to 10 megabytes per second. Built-in GPS, 8 IR night vision lights, G-sensor, 24-hour parking mode. Includes 128GB SD card. This is a premium all-in-one system. The 360-degree view captures almost everything around your car, and 8 IR night lights ensure excellent night footage. High-speed Wi-Fi 6 makes file transfer fast and smooth. If you want top-tier coverage for security and monitoring, this dashcam is an excellent choice. Pros: 4-channel coverage including inside the car, powerful IR night vision, fast Wi-Fi 6 transfer. Cons: larger design may be noticeable in the car, pricier than simpler dashcams. Number 5. Viofo A229 Plus Dashcam. Dual StarVis 2 sensors, 2-channel HDR recording, 1440p x 1440p resolution, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, ultra-precise GPS. SD card not included. The Viofo A229 Plus delivers HDR recording for detailed and clear footage even at night. StarVis 2 sensors ensure excellent low-light performance. Voice control allows hands-free operation, while precise GPS keeps track of your routes accurately. This dashcam is ideal for anyone who wants high-quality video and convenience without extra channels. Pros: HDR recording for sharp video, voice control convenience, precise GPS tracking. Cons: SD card not included, fewer features than multi-channel models. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 dashcams on Amazon in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tech recommendations. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own dashcam experience. We'd love to hear from you. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.